Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn about the great Imam Shafi'ee Rahmatullah Alaih. He quoted, "Knowledge is not measured by how much it is memorized, but rather how much it is acted upon." Let's see some details about him. Imam Shafi'ee was born in Gaza, Palestine. In the same year, the great Imam Abu Hanifa passed away. His full name was Imam Muhammad ibn Idris Shafi'ee. He lost his father when he was a child and raised by his mother under very poor circumstances. His mother migrated to Makkah with Imam Shafi'ee. By the age of 7, he memorized Quran. At the age of 13, he departed Makkah and arrived in Medina at the door of Imam Malik. His early education was marked by poverty, but he never let it affect his learning. He would sit on the sidelines of classes, absorbing knowledge by listening to his teacher. Despite not being able to afford a paper, he will write on stones and bones. This shows his dedication and perseverance towards acquiring knowledge. Imam Shafi'ee is a great role model for both men and women. Never did he speak a lie, and his hands reach out to poor generously. Now let's see some amazing facts about him. First, he has been titled Nasirul Hadith, which means defender of Hadith. Second, Imam al-Shafi'ee is the founder of the Shafi'i school of fiqh. This school of thought is one of the 4 major schools of Islamic law. Third, Imam Shafi'ee was an expert in both Hanafi and Maliki fiqh, from which came about the Shafi'i fiqh. Fourth, he memorized Imam Malik's famous book Al-Muwatta in only 9 days. Imam Shafi'ee used to recite hadith to Imam Malik after memorizing his book. Imam Shafi'ee stayed in Medina until Imam Malik passed away. Fifth, he authored several books, the most well-known of which is Kitab al-Umm, which is collection of his writings and lectures. Sixth, he is buried in Cairo, Egypt. We hope this knowledge was useful for all of us. Jazakallahu khair.